This is Espresso Chat, conversations over coffee. We discuss business, family, and other interesting conversations over a cup of coffee. Enjoy.
Great, welcome to Espresso Chat. I am Ian Wafula, Sales Liaison at Dawit Insurance, and today I'm with Ken. Ken, please tell these folks what you do at Dawit and who you are at Dawit Insurance.
Very well, guys. My name is Kairu, and I am the CEO and also the chief marketer around here at Dawit Insurance. And we really enjoy helping business owners to protect their most valuable assets. So Ian and the rest of the team that we have, we focus on helping our customers and largely business owners in this whole insurance conversation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ken has mentored me in selling insurance, and the question I have today is something because it's come up because of a challenge that I've gone through.
Mm-hmm.
Why do people shy away from insurance conversations?
I think insurance conversations are somewhat morbid because think about it. When do you need insurance? When something has gone wrong.
That's when you remember you should.
When something has gone really wrong.
Yes.
One of the things I keep saying is 5 years too early, then 5 minutes too late. Some of the things that happen is you're wishing that you had insurance, but the event has already happened.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
So in our African way, many times you don't want to think about bad things. You know? The majority of us are extremely optimistic.
Yes.
Why are you telling me that something could go wrong with my business?
What if I die?
Yeah. Why are you telling me that I could die? Wait a minute.
Yeah.
You know, we don't want to have those kind of conversations.
Yes.
But you see, as a wise person who wants to secure their legacy, yeah, you've worked all these years to create a business,
Yes.
okay, to accumulate, and all of a sudden something goes wrong, and it's gone. What have you been working for? Okay.
Yes.
What happens to your legacy? What are you leaving behind for your children? And yet, if some of these things can be taken care of by insurance, by all means. I suspect that the way insurance has been introduced to people may be one of the challenges. Okay. Majority of the people outside there, their experience has been this guy who, sorry to say, nags me, and the only way to get rid of him, you know, is to sign the dotted line.
Yes.
For the least expense possible.
Yeah.
Okay. But where is the value conversation right there? Where is the value conversation? I think the way to carry an insurance conversation is by leading with value. This is what insurance will do for you, and to make it extremely personal, so that there is some gap there and there's a function that insurance is coming to play. And many times I tell people, personally, I don't sell insurance. I really don't sell insurance. I'm in the business of helping people to find solutions to their commercial and business challenges. Okay.
Yes.
Many times people will tell me, oh, okay, I'm having a situation where there's too much theft and pilferage happening in my business. Can I buy insurance? And I'll tell them, okay, it's a good consideration, but think about it. I want you to buy insurance after you've done your groundwork. And when you eventually have a claim, it's a claim that I can help you to see get paid.
Okay.
So you're hiring people in your business, you don't know where they come from. You haven't done background checks on them.
Yes.
So when that claim happens, the insurance company will ask you some questions which you can't answer. Who is this guy? Okay, can we trace him?
Yes.
Theft in an office is a criminal offense.
Yes.
We can't find the guy. That claim will become a challenging claim.
Yes.
Now, flip that. You who bought insurance without having done the basic groundwork, as it were, you know, having proper formal procedures in your business. Who is this person you have hired? Do you have their ID? Do you know their next of kin? And doing a reference check.
Yes.
Okay. So if you haven't done that, then you have an insurance claim, and it becomes a long, difficult conversation. Naturally, people will want to blame the insurance company, but they are also their responsibility. in this conversation. So it is matching those two things. And for me, if I find that you haven't done these things, before I sell you that insurance, I'll tell you, let's get your house in order. This is what we need to do. After we have done this, then let's carry the insurance conversation. And that is usually my approach. Because then that way, I have helped the business become a little bit more formal. There's already value that has been exchanged even before they paid us.
Yes.
So I think that is the approach that we should follow when we are handling an insurance conversation.
It's quite profound. Another challenge I have is sometimes, remember when we try and make these cold calls? So the guy picks up the call very nicely. Hello? Then I'm like, hi, this is Ian from Dawit Insurance. As soon as Masema Insurance Agency, like, I'm in a meeting, call me back after 20 minutes. And me, of course, after 20 minutes,
faithfully you are.
I'm on you, like white on rice. Why do people shy away from insurance agents like that?
You see, at that point, we make the mistake of burging into someone's life. This guy had a plan. There was what he was doing. Okay? And if you can't crystallize a meaningful reason for them to have a conversation with you in 30 seconds, they're not interested. You see? But there is also a place for cold calls, because somehow serendipity happens. You may call on a person who's been having those considerations to do with insurance, and you show up right at the time when it makes sense for them to carry an insurance conversation. Okay, so in those times, obviously the conversation will continue, but it also takes some wisdom, particularly in our space. We do a lot of commercial insurance. We help a lot of businesses with these conversations. It's also to identify when are they in a buying space, when are they in a buying time, so that at that time the conversation is relevant. If it is not relevant, honestly, can you just
that one. Wise words from Ken there. So if you have a business, there are things which are very valuable to you, your employees, your assets, even your money. So there are things that you should take care of in order to keep your business going even after you're gone. So insurance is a very important conversation that you should have. Thank you so much, Ken, for coming to Espresso Chat. It's been good having you.
Cheers. Absolutely. Oh, cheers. This video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website www.dawitinsurance.co.ke and learn more about who we are and what we do.